I just realized we still haven't. Crap!
And we're back with another scuffed upgrade. This time it's for this guy. What do I mean by another, you ask? Well, funny you should ask. Watch the previous video, where I made some changes to my gaming PC, and now he wants in on it too.
I turned off the PSG. How is this thing still lit up? Does this thing have a battery that I didn't know about, or? Why is this so heavy? What the hell? I'm trying to tighten it. We're gonna have to open up the back of the case. Okay, well, where's the step for the radiator so I can see how to which screws to use?
I could kind of. Look at those.
So clean, eh?
Oh wow.
Yeah, fancy.
It just keeps going too.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't get better if you go around the room. It gets worse.
Oh my god. Look at this thing. And this thing. And this thing.
Yeah.
And these.
No.
And you.
Yeah.
Why are you using a small one?
We just went over this. I think we may have a problem. Yeah, that stud. You might have to just twist it, like go a bit that way.
Come here.
Okay. Yeah.
There's too much gap over there.
There's a bit of gap.
Much better.
Cable management at its finest.
Buy a little cooler.
Yeah. Buy OG Intel. Is it not coming out? There we go.
Just yank it.
Oh.
Oh, you're just smearing it all over the place.
Is there a sticker on that?
No, there's no sticker.
No, it's not.
What are you talking about?
I needed to make sure. That's it. We'll thread it afterwards. Wow, this looks beautiful.
And we got everything. Easy. Less than a minute. First try, baby. First try.
Hey, it was blue again.
Huh?
It's blue again.
You're blue.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with the lighting. Did you know that Dora isn't actually an explorer because everywhere she went was on a map? Thank you. I just realized we still haven't. Crap! Boop. Yeah, I'll just plug in, I guess, one monitor.
Let's plug this in casually.
There we go. Okay, that cord is now hidden. All right, that's good. Cool. Got those cords done. Okay, that's good.
Good job, man.
That looks more natural. Forgot to put in the, I didn't, I need to hold this while I grab it. That's the main monitor now, apparently.
And we are done. Well, at least for now. We got a lot of cleaning up to do. But it's good to see my old case being used again. We had some great time and hopefully it's in good hands.
As always, we hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.